Hello guys, today we are gonna fix this error code that some people get. So let's begin with the video. So this error code is pretty much a weird one. The first fix what you can do is close your PlayStation 4. This error code has something to do with sports modes. So let's go to your PlayStation 4. The next step. Wait till your PlayStation closes up. So once it closes up, what you want to do is hold the power button till you hear 2 beeps. Just hold it. 1 beep. Wait for the second one. A second beep and leave it like this. By the way, you have to plug your USB cable to the DualShock 4. So let's go to the TV right now. So just open up your PlayStation 4. Like this. So you should see this screen on safe mode. And what you want to do now is choose option 1. So maybe your PlayStation had some issues and a hard reset can help too for this error code. Now let's wait till the PlayStation 4 opens up again. So fix number 2. If this didn't work out for you, maybe you have like another problem. You have to wait maybe a couple days till this error code gets fixed by itself, because maybe the servers are just down. They maybe close the servers or you have some issues. The only thing what you can do right now is just to wait if it didn't work out for you. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to join my community, error fix. I'm gonna show you right now. So we will help people around on error fix. Just search it up on communities. We will help people around, share some error codes that some people get and fix it. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, like and leave a comment down below.